Hello dear students, good morning everyone. This is the 13th lecture for class 9 physics related to third chapter, that is gravitation. And in this lecture today we will discuss about the two important terms, density and relative density. These two terms are the last terms related to gravitation chapter. After this we will solve numerical based on these concepts. So just see what is the concept of density and relative density. Very easy concept. When you just listen one thing about the formula concept, then you can learn out. Very simple concept, only based on formula. Just see concept of density. Density of an object. Density is defined. Density is defined as the mass of density is defined as the ratio of mass of substance. Density is defined as the ratio of mass of substance to the volume of substance. Very simple concept. It means density is equal to what? Mass upon volume. When formula is clear, then you can write down that is density of substance is equal to mass of substance upon volume of the substance. Here unit of density is also clear from this formula, mass upon volume. Mass unit, that is kilogram, and unit of volume, that is meter cube, or we say that cubic meter. So SI unit of density, SI unit of density is kilograms per cubic meter. Per cubic meter. Or in simple, kg per meter power 3. Kg meter power minus 3. In any way we can write as a kg per meter cube or kg meter power minus 3. Then after this, the concept of relative density. Just before explanation about relative density, you must have to know about the value of density of water. The density of water is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. This is the standard value, and this value always used in solving numerical directly. And then after this, relative density. Relative density. Whenever the concept of density is clear, the relative density concept also very easy. Listen, it is defined as the ratio. It is defined as the ratio of density of substance to its density of water. It means relative density of a substance is equal to density of substance upon density of water, and the density of water always taken at 4 degree Celsius. The concept of 4 degree I will explain just. It is defined as the ratio of density of substance density of the substance to the density of water. Density of water at 4 degree Celsius. So, relative density of substance, relative density of substance is equal to density of the substance upon density of water. At 4 degree Celsius. With the help of relative density of substance, we can calculate in accurate way the density of the substance. Suppose a statement is given, the relative density of mercury is 13.6 kg per meter cube. Whenever density, then kg per meter cube, and whenever the relative density, then there must be no unit. Means the relative density of mercury is 13.6 only given. Then what is the meaning of this statement? It means the density of substance, or here substance is what? Mercury. The density of mercury is 13.6 into, this is the value of density of water at 4 degrees Celsius, or standard temperature is 1. For density calculation, that is 1000, or you say that 10 power 3. Then 10 power 3 multiply in the relative density of the substance. So on behalf of relative density, the density of mercury will be 13.6 into 10 power 3 kg per meter cube. And here there is no SI unit. Relative density has no unit. Relative density has no units. Why no units? Because it's a ratio of two same physical quantity. Here density, unit kg per meter cube cancel out. So that's why relative density has no units. So these two terms, when you just write down one time, then it is very easy to learn. And when you just understood about the concept, then you can solve out any numerical based on either density concept or relative density concepts. So that's all for today. You will revise all the terms, and next lecture we will solve the numerical based on each topic step by step related to third chapter, gravitation. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.